how to get unlimited dice rolls in Monopoly Go. Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get unlimited dice rolls in Monopoly Go. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So this process is so insane guys, and it actually works. So first, open up your web browser and basically go to the site called diceadd.com, and you will be on those type of page. Here, go ahead and choose how much money and dice rolls want to add to our account. So we're going to type in our username and select our platform. So let's just go ahead and do this right here. Then press proceed, and now we're just going to wait for this to load. So now it's going to ask us how much money we want to add to our account. Now personally it doesn't really matter to me, but I'm going to go for the max. Then I'm going to go ahead and choose the same for the money, and I'm going to press proceed. And now we're just going to wait for it to load. So let's just give it a second here, as you guys can see. So it shouldn't take long. So let's just give it a second here. So it's pretty much done. So the final step is a verification. So click on verify, and it will take you to this page where you just need to download some apps, complete the instructions. These are completely for free, and they're from the official app store. So here are the two apps. You just have to follow the instructions and complete these tasks. And here it is saying, after completing tasks, your money and dice rolls will be sent to your account directly. So guys, this is very legit method. Go ahead and do this. So that's basically how you can get unlimited dice rolls in Monopoly Go. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.